Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
We are trying to find the leak in the saloon, and it's time for a haul out.
Rock and roll and drift away.
The historic leak in the saloon needs to be fixed. As usual, you never know where the leak is coming from. We had several suspected areas that we are going to address. We suspect the tow rail.
So what are you doing?
Well, I'm cleaning right now the aluminum tow rail and all the dirt under it because we have a gap in there that I think is causing some of the leakages that we get inside. So I want to clean this all really good and then put a bead of Sikaflex, some 295 along there to try to seal that up a little bit. But since there's corrosion here, I'm trying to clean off that so I get a good bond for the Sikaflex when it hits the aluminum.
Acetona. Finally, it's not raining. So we're gonna put that seam on the tow rail.
This one here. I'm gonna put some Sika on it.
All along the tow rail on the port side. We are trying to get the sealing part on the outside off. See if it's still leaking or if we can find some ends. The sawdust is over so far, but we will see what's on top. So we can make the deck wet. We're trying to get the sealing off and see if it's still leaking. But the Velcro is working really well.
Really well.
Now it's the problem to get it off without damaging it.
Yeah. There we go.
It's looking like no ends anymore.
Yeah. Oh, maybe it got so hot that they all fried.
Maybe. I think it's the damp of the moist metal grip.
Oh, could have also been it, yeah.
Still got a leak.
Yeah, so I'm going to take these shrouds off so that I can replace this, because this is where we found it's leaking. At least we think that seems to be the logic. So I marked the shrouds so I can go back to the same area for the tension. So first I have to take these off. I put some safety lines on here and one from the main halyard back down. But there's so many other shrouds on here, it should be okay.
7.5. 8.
There we go, both 8. Further investigation led us to 2 of the rigging chain plates. We sealed these before about 6 years earlier, but obviously not good enough. On this side, in any case, it just went in there like it was nothing there.
It's finally summer. It's the middle of July. It's not raining every day anymore. And we've got some blue skies again.
The weather is unusually wet this year. We had a lot of rain and normally not predicted. So we had to wait with this job until we had some good dry weather.
Like a dentist. Drilling, sucking.
Like a dentist.
Ooh!
Drilling for the very first time. Like a dentist.
Yeah, suck.
Yeah. Inside, you need to get the shit out of the hole. There.
And number 2.
Huh?
Number 1 is going all the way to the inside.
This is a cross between surgery and dentistry.
Stick your finger through here. Some impregnating epoxy.
Running out a little bit here.
Wat is kneedbare epoxy in het Engels?
I don't know. I don't know what it's called in my own language. I don't know. Stuff you mix with the hand, paste, putty, epoxy putty maybe. Ask. Give us an answer in the comments.
I will translate it. Kneedbare epoxy, next part. Going in. So we stuffed it full with epoxy. You don't see light anymore through there. So we can put the kit on top of that. So time to kit it. So we've got penetrating epoxy in there, then we've got some putty epoxy. Now we're gonna kit it.
That way, you think?
Something
You have to
like
push
that.
it down.
Kit on.
Yep. Leontine does the smoothing out work.
And the finger it.
She does that. I do the kit, and then she goes by with her fingers and some soapy water, pushes it in, and smooths it out.
Preparation for haul out.
Oh yeah.
Gonna go out backwards. So we
Looking backwards.
dump the boom in the back from the missile. You have to get our rigging back up. Try these stays. Did kit in there. And then we're gonna get hauled out and we're gonna stand over there for a couple of weeks. And the stays back up. The rigging.
When motoring, our boat is good going forward. But being a long keeler, she can be quite challenging to go backwards, especially since we don't have a bow thruster. It's already difficult to get out of our berth in the harbor. Going backwards into a slip to be lifted, we needed some help. Thankfully, Lothar from Orion came to help us being our bow thruster. Thanks, Lothar, for making our life a little easier. Also on Make My Day and on the wall, we had a lot of help from our friends.
There's our boat going. Our new spot. And she's free! Ik denk dat je niet zo dichtbij moet gaan.
If it comes off that easy, then it moet off.
That's why we went out of the water. Coming up again. So all new spots we have to get new copper coat on. Spotties to repair. No, I there's rust coming out around the piece there. So we've got some work to do.
I give me the beat, boy, to free my soul.